In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your aura color in MemeC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. This is going to work for any team that you join, and you will be able to use any aura that you have on you. You will be able to change it freely, and all that you have to do is when you join any team and you go over to the spawn, you will be able to walk up to these three statues here. Now you will see this NPC in purple, or this little block. So I'm going to fly really high so you know the location that I'm talking about. So when you go over here, by this middle statue, you will be able to talk to the aura color storage, and as the name suggests, this is where all of your aura colors will be stored. Now I am a noob and I only have the default one. As you can see, this is going to be the base default one that everyone gets. All that you have to do to equip any of these aura colors is to click on the option to equip them. So if you have any of these auras here, you will be able to equip them right away, and the color will be reflected on your equipped weapon. And you have Spectrum here at the bottom, which is the rarest one. So all that you have to do to keep it simple is to join any team. This can be either on a public or private server, and over here on the spawn, you will be able to find the aura color storage where you can equip or de-equip a specific aura. You can get them from different NPCs, so if you fly around the map, you will usually be able to find the option to reroll them. Usually they will cost gems, so keep that in mind. But regardless, all that you have to do is go over to these three statues and you will be able to change it here. I'm not going to go over too much detail on how to get different auras, but there are various ways to go about doing this. And as long as you get a specific aura, it is going to be available for you to change when you go in there. You have plenty of other things that you can purchase for gems as well, but if you want auras, you need to look for the sorcerer, and then you can just come over here to the storage and change the equipped aura that you have. If you don't have one, you are just going to get this message at the top. Currently, every single aura is only available from rolling from the NPC. I hope I was able to help you on how to change aura color in MemeC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.